Hello everyone, this is Micheal E. Yeaman, introducing the Geology of Sculpting Stone series. Over the past decade or so, I've created a series of presentations about individual stone types oftentimes sculpted by members of the Northwest Stone Sculptors Association. But why should you care about the geology of your stone? Well, frankly, stone is a unique element of what we use in our art, unlike any other art form. So therefore, knowing more about your stone and specifically a little bit about the science and geology of your stone can be very helpful. Almost all your stones have compelling histories that will be both interesting for you and your audience alike. While you work the stone, you can marvel at the various elements of its grain, color, texture. Can be quite fun just considering that as you're working the stone. You can consider how your chosen artistic form relates to the science and the geology of this specific stone. And finally, maybe your final piece of art can weave together elements of the geology component and enhance an element of your work which might be of interest to potential buyers. Each of the presentations has the same structure. It begins with defining the stone, giving its general description, chemical properties, and historic use, showing some specimens, both large-scale macro and thin sections, and where specific occurrences of this stone can be found. Secondly, the geology of the stone will be detailed by its age and geologic description, how it formed, the environment and processes, where it formed in the global paleogeographic setting, and are there any modern analogs where you might find this stone forming today? And finally, there'll be a section that talks about creations from this stone, specific art, sculpture, as well as architecture. I hope you enjoy these presentations and use them to enliven your art. I certainly have enjoyed creating them and presenting them to you over the years.